Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text above table in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add text above table. Now, firstly select insert from table. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now select from a table. Now select from row and columns from table. Now resize your table, then move from table. Now select from all table. Now going to the table tools from design menu option, then click for all border option. That is. Now you can see add text above the table. Now going to the home menu option, then select from it draw text box. Now draw text box in above from table. Now type a text. Now select from text. Now going to the resize the text size. Now click for bold option. That is. Now you can say add text above the table in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.